In this video, we will show you how to replace your lower splash shield. On this Honda Accord, this will be mounted directly under the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're going to have to make our way under the front of the vehicle. You may have to safely raise and support it so you can make your way under. Once you're underneath the vehicle, we'll be paying attention along where the bumper cover meets to your lower splash shield. Along each corner of this area, you will find a 10mm headed bolt. And as you make your way towards the center, you'll be finding several push clips making their way all the way across to the other 10mm headed bolt. Let's start removing all this. As for the push clips, typically you want to carefully start removing the center. Once you get that down far enough, it should unlock, and then you can remove the outer portion as well. There should be one more right down here. Ours is missing. Now we'll make our way into each one of the wheel wells. You can make your way in safely by turning the wheel to one side or the other as needed. Inside of each of the wheel wells, you'll find that you have two push clips, one up in this area and the other one's down a little further. We'll pay attention in this corner here. That should slide directly into the wheel well cover. Now that we have both push clips out on this side, make your way over to the driver's side. You'll find you have one push clip over there. Separate that from the wheel well. Now we can make our way back towards the center. You'll find that you have two more push clips. Once you have those out of place, you can carefully take hold of this and pull it down and out of the vehicle. There it is, friend. Let's get ready for installation of our splash shield. Make your way with it underneath the vehicle. We need to slide it above the bumper cover. Once you've done that, continue on by aligning your two center holes for those push clips. To install your push clip, make sure you have it in the unlocked position with the center pulled out and away. Lock it in by pressing that center in. Make your way into each one of the wheel wells and install your push clips. Make our way in here. Start getting this back together here. We've got our 10mm bolts. We have one for each corner. As we make our way towards the center and across, we'll be using our push clips. There should be one right here. Go ahead and tighten up each of those 10mm headed mounting screws, and then we can make our way out from under here. Okay friend, we showed you how to install your lower splash shield on your vehicle. At this point, you want to make your way safely out from under there and lower the vehicle back to the ground. Take it for a road test and make sure you don't hear any funny noises coming from under the vehicle. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.